Every day is just like the day before. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Wednesday, December 2nd. And of course, today's update is brought to you by the Tradier Group, brokerage, equities, and options. Although I have other accounts, Tradier is my preferred broker. And of course, why? Well, first of all, it's $10 a month. So how can you beat that? Plus the fact of our new automation. If you'd like to use Tradier, then you have the ability to have your whole entire account and all of our trading done automated. So it's great checking them out, and certainly I encourage you to do so. But obviously, use your broker of choice. But again, at $10 a month, I can save a lot of money and do a lot of other things with that dough. In the meantime, markets are mixed. Okay, they were much lower overnight. They came back. Now we've got the Dow slightly lower, the Russell a little further lower, the NASDAQ flat, and the S&P slightly higher. We have been higher and lower. We'll see where we go from here. Again, the conditions have not changed. No volume, no liquidity, no real interest, which means that as long as the Fed's going to keep printing and the hope for stimulus is on the table, markets will probably continue to try to make new highs as we saw yesterday. The metals, gold is trying to make a run, but until it gets above 1840, we will be for sure short. I don't know if 1840 will change, but that's a chart point that I noticed. In the meantime, the rally is not a surprise. You expect to see rallies many times throughout big bull and bear markets, and there's, as far as I'm concerned, this is still a downtrending bear market. Silver's a little bit lower today, and platinum is up nicely. And of course, we are short gold and silver, long platinum. Copper, slightly lower. It's been on both sides of unchanged today, but very, very strong overall. Net gas is a little bit lower. So, we are still short it. The bonds and notes, those have been ugly, and I hate being long those too, but we're still long in both. You would think that, with Powell and some of the other Fed heads speaking today, there might be some movement, but maybe they're going to start to hike rates. I don't know. I doubt it. But that's certainly what the futures are telling us. Lower future prices mean higher interest rates. But again, we'll see. I don't think that's going to happen. I think they'll turn around. And of course, the dollar is under pressure again, which even leads more to the case of thinking that the bond markets will start to rally a little bit here. If they not, we have to reverse. Hey, we'll reverse. Crude is exploding higher. There you go. So again, OPEC, we're going to be back under the thumb of OPEC with the way this current administration wants, which makes the Georgia election even that much more important. The grain markets, they're making a nice comeback. They look very poor. Wheat is up nicely. Of course, we're short wheat now, but corn and beans, corn has now got the positive from down about 6 or 7 cents, and soybeans are down about a nickel from down almost 20. So, this is a very crucial day for corn and beans to decide on if the rallies are over and they're going to start to head lower, or this is just a pause. The meats are all fairly on the flat line. Cattle, fats are on one side, slightly higher. We're a little bit short. Feeders are slightly lower. We're long, and hogs are lower. A little bit. We're long. Again, we'll see. We're at some pretty crucial points in general, so we'll figure out where we're going to go from here. But in the meantime, obviously, our positions won't change during the day. And in the softs, they're pretty quiet, and we're still long. Cotton, which is slightly lower, OJ, which is slightly higher, coffee, which is slightly higher, sugar, which is slightly higher, and cocoa, which is slightly lower. In the meantime, it's a big nothing day so far. But there has been some extreme action, which again ties into the lack of liquidity and yada, yada, yada. And of course, don't forget about our partnerships with the family farms. Again, it's our goal and theirs as well to educate and help farmers do better with what they've got and how to build futures and to continue to control their own environments. And that's always an important thing for us. So obviously, great relationship. Really looking forward to seeing them again, but we can't get out of out of the house. And of course, our other brokerage partner, which again, I have other futures places as well, but the one I prefer and the one who has our letter of direction authorization to trade it is CTG Group. And of course, their customer service is unbelievable. They take care of all of our letter of direction trading, and they have some new managed future stuff that you may want to look at. Certainly reach out. You can give Nell Sloan a call. If you want information on either Tradier or CTG, just send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you all the information you need. Our commodity report, Andy Heck continues to do a masterful job on his rating of what commodities are going to do. And he's been all on top of this. If you've heard him on Monday nights with me, you know how much he understands this market. It's called Technomental. Check it out at bubbatrading.com. And of course, as we continue to try to rebuild our high school program, we actually, we fund it 95%. We do get a little help through Patreon. And if you'd like to be one of our contributors, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, football this afternoon. Finally, the Baltimore Ravens are going to play the the Pittsburgh Steelers. Look, Pittsburgh's laying 10. Baltimore is basically running out of B team. I mean, look, I'm not excited either way, but if I'm going to play, I'd lay the 10 for, maybe a half a beer. I just, to be on TV to watch it. In the meantime, have a great trading day, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. See you later, everybody.